Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Differential Calculus 1. So article number 1.4, Center of Curvature and Circle of Curvature. The center of curvature of a point P of xy on the given curve is the point C of x bar comma y bar, which lies in the direction of the inward normal at P and is at a distance rho from it. First draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x axis draw ಮಾಡಿ, next y axis. So somewhere point P, call it as a P point. So coordinates are x comma y, Cartesian coordinates. This is for rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system. So 2 dimension x y. So illondu line pass ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ನ ಕರ್ವ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ at x bar comma y bar. So rho is radius of curvature. So here PT, this PT is the tangent to the curve at P, and Pn idiyalla is the inward normal to the curve at P. Idu inward normal to the curve at P. Idu tangent to the curve at P. PT is the tangent to the curve at P. Pn is the inward normal to the curve at P. Idara points barkoli. Next, if CP, so this C illi point idiyalla CP equal to rho andre radius of curvature. Then C of x bar y bar, C of x bar y bar of the center of curvature for the Cartesian curve, of the Cartesian curve y equal to f of x. So y equal to function of x can be proved in the following form. So x bar the formula bandu x minus y1 divided by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. X bar equal to x minus y1 divided by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. Next y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So this is the formula, center of curvature and circle of curvature formula. So idu C idiyalla, C andre center of curvature the point. So C of x bar y bar, so remember this formula, x bar equal to x minus y1 divided by y2 andre idu first order derivative, idu second order derivative, into 1 plus y1 square, first order derivative na differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Next y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Next, the circle of curvature of the curve at P of xy is a circle having center at the point C of x bar y bar and radius equal to rho. The equation of the circle of curvature is given by, so equation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square equal to rho square. Okay, here x bar equal to x minus y1 divided by y2 into 1 plus y1 square, y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So here equation of the circle of curvature is x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square equal to rho square. Okay, thank you so much.